Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand that in Power BI, filtering of the data can be done in three ways: filters on this visual, filters on this page, and filter on all pages. The first, filters on this visual, and the second one, the filters on this page, I've already discussed in my previous video. In this video, we are going to discuss about filters on all pages. So let's go on the Power BI. On page 1, some visuals have been created. On page 2, now I want to activate the filter, which can do the changes on all the pages simultaneously. So let's pick up the shipping mode and drop it into the filters on all pages. Now activate the first class and see the changes. These changes will appear on all pages. Page 1, you can see it. Page 2, page 3. So this is all about uh, filters on all pages in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link is given in the description box.